Yo, this is my bug check. I'm gonna try, keyword is try, and go from the front to the back. Haters, fuck off, man. Just F you. Okay, for grips, I have ODI long neck grips, I think 143 millimeters in purple with the ODI bar ends. I soaked them, or I boiled them, and they feel pretty fucking good. So stock bars, which are really small, because I might learn bars. Sort of rust, because it was in basement, which is always wet, but now I put it up here. I want to cut them, but I need to move. Fuck you. I need to move my move my grips over just a tad so I can cut it. Stock stems painted from black to purple. The only thing I think I did wrong on this was like start touching it too early, and it's aerosol paint, which is hard to sand off. Ow, that was not part of it. I had a gyro on here, but I went brakeless because the gyro fucking sucked and nobody loved it. So I don't know if you call this an integrated headset, because it looks like one though. Stock forks in blue. They're good. I think this one drop out of this bent though. It doesn't really matter that much, but yeah. Stock tire, stock rim, stock everything. I'm probably going, if I talk to my dad, I might get a hub guard for the front, and back shut, so I can start grinding, even though I already started grinding, just so my hubs don't get, like, broke. Stock pegs, which are sort of worn down on the bottom. Stock frame, which I like. I like pretty much everything about it except the back rim and back hub, which that's not much. Stock pedals, I think the axles might be bent, and I have 2 extra pairs, so it doesn't matter. Stock one-piece cranks. If anybody like has an used or really used pair or whatever of 3-piece, let me know, and we'll do a trade or whatever, because I really need 3-piece cranks. We the people. I can't. Oh yeah, we the people supreme slime seat in white and gray, but it said white and green, so I don't know. Stock seat clamp and seat post. It's railed. I like railed a little bit better because it's easier to work with. Brakeless. Stock back. The only reason I don't have this on is because one day I came home so I could put these washers on, which these washers right here. So like my tire stays in place better, and my chain's like always tight, and I just never put it back on. I'm gonna put it back on tonight, maybe. Eastern Medusa 25-tooth sprocket. I like it so far. I've had it for like a week or 2. It's really good. You should get it. Unless you're like goofy foot and you grind on the right side and you don't have a left-hand drive hub, so yeah. Oh, bye neighbors.